Yo guys, it's again Buzz Games and we're doing pack openings. Yeah, that's my best pack. Ibra. Yeah, I was screaming so badly. That's my cards. 91, 87, 87, 86. They're good, right? But I'm hoping to get more.
Bruh.
Left wing. Oh my god!
Oh hell no!
Right at the start. Cristiano Ronaldo. No, this can't get better. Unless we get like a free Ronaldo. Oh my god. My best pack is the Ronaldo. My best card is the Ronaldo. Oh my god. Oh my god, and Lupus. We're going for it. We're going for the 99 Messi and Ronaldo. Okay, just calm down for a minute. Can we get above? Can we get a legend, please? Please? Legend? Oh god damn it. I want a legend in this episode. I want a legend so bad. You look like Voldemort. You just need to cut your hair, mate. Go cut your hair. Oh my god, Tiago, please go away. Finally a gold. And it's a gold that sucks. Oh my god. I think I shall just give up. I can't believe what's happening right now. Why? What is this game doing to my life? Do we have like a Manuel Neuer, please? Or a hero, Messi or Ronaldo? Okay, that's a good sign. Again, just gold players. Oh my god, 84 gold. 84 gold. That is alright. That's all. But please give me a legend. Give me a alright legend. Cinnamon, please. I know he's not Payet. Yeah, Payet, please. Please give me Payet. Or a hero Messi or Ronaldo. Or 99 Messi or Ronaldo. Or a Gareth maybe. Normal Libra. I don't have him yet. I'll be happy with him. I still can't believe the first pack we done was with you.
Oh hell no!
Was. Oh my god! It's an alright legend. Guys, I can't believe it. We got our first ever legend. Oh god damn it, that's still my best card. Who cares? Now our three best players are Ronaldo, Ibra, and Larsson. Okie dokie. And oh okay, I thought it's Lupus again. Because we already have him, so I went, oh my god. We're starting to get lucky. When I wasn't doing this on YouTube, we actually got bad. So next video I'm gonna be doing a foot draft, so that's gonna be fun. Oh, what the hell is that? And guys, this series gonna go on till we get all the cards. Ramsey, alright. And there's about 2,000 cards there, and I have no clue how much I have. Oh my god, an inform. Oh my god, that's not good. Inform. God damn it. I want to have a alright inform. But still, why are not supposed to change? We supposed to get Payet or a Messi. Oh, hi De Bruyne, you suck. Who the hell is that? Like a young Ching Chong. Oh my god, look at that guy's face. You are freaking retard. That guy though. Center back and Williams. You're alright. And who are we getting now? Let's see. I would be fine if we got a hero or a legend right now. That's all I'm asking for. Or an inform at least. That's the worst you can give me, EA. Right back. You suck. Summer. Hi, Summer. No! I turned off my game. No. To end this video, we need to get another legend or a hero card. And not you. Legend. No, 3 legends and a hero card. Or a hero card, yeah. Subscribe and I'm not sure. We're just getting so bad players right now. How much minutes have I been doing this for? I started at 10:30. Oh, this time's wrong. Oh, there's a Scottish uniform. Yay, 78 rated. Go away. Oh my god. I didn't think we're gonna get a good player. A striker, but there was a wee bit of silence involved in this. Just go away, centre back. Or just at least one legend. A hero or a one legend. Oh, what I'm asking for. I don't know how long this video is gonna go for. Well, till I get a legend or a hero, not a freaking 79 rated gold called Kramer. Or not a 77 8 rated inform. Not a gold, mate. I'm asking for a legend or a hero. No other. Not for a non-rare. 81. How is he not a gold? He's at 81. No, I give up. Nah, I give up on my life. Nah, bye. Bye. I give up on my life. No, I'm not. So guys, no, you don't leave it like that. I'm so sad I never got a legend. I can't believe it. No. So guys, I'm gonna pause the camera, and when I get something good, I'm gonna unpause it and let you see. Guys, I got it. Thank you very much. You look like freeze or whatever. Standing at like 30. We got it. Look. Now our best free card is, of course, the 93 Ronaldo, 91 Ibra, and the new 89 Hero Legend. So, I would like to see you in the next video. Bye! If you're new to this channel, subscribe, like this videos you want to see some more of. I am going to do some more soon. If this is going to get to at least 10 just now likes, it's going to be appreciated. And see you in the next video. Give it